Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that's been on everyone's mind. Does Relay have a savings account? I know, it seems like a simple question, but it's actually a really important one. After all, savings accounts are a great way to save money for things like emergencies, retirement, or a down payment on a house. So, let's get started. Body. What is Relay? Before we dive into the savings account question, let's take a quick look at what Relay is. Relay is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and investment accounts. Relay is a relatively new company, but it's already gained a lot of traction. It's particularly popular with young people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. So, now that we know what Relay is, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Relay have a savings account? The answer is yes. Relay does offer a savings account, and it's a pretty good one. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. High interest rates. Relay savings accounts offer some of the highest interest rates on the market. This means that your money will grow faster than it would in a traditional bank account. No minimum balance. You don't need to have a minimum balance in your Relay savings account. This makes it a great option for people who are just starting out with their finances. Easy to use. Relay's app is very user-friendly, making it easy to manage your savings account on the go. FDIC insured. Your deposits are FDIC insured up to $250,000, so you can rest assured that your money is safe. So, if you're looking for a great savings account, Relay is definitely worth considering. Additional features of Relay's savings account. In addition to the features I've already mentioned, Relay's savings account also offers a few other benefits. Automatic savings. You can set up automatic savings transfers to your Relay savings account. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. Goals. You can set goals for your savings account. This can help you stay motivated and on track. Cashback rewards. You can earn cashback rewards on your everyday purchases. This cashback can then be deposited into your savings account. Overall, Relay's savings account is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient, affordable, and high-interest savings account. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Relay does have a savings account, and it's a pretty good one. If you're looking for a great way to save your money, I highly recommend checking out Relay. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Relay's savings account, please click on the link below. Additional information. You can learn more about Relay's savings account on their website, invalid URL removed. You can also read reviews of Relay's savings account on invalid URL removed. Thank you for watching. I hope this script is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.